Good morning. Our recovery has already started. In fact, it was starting before the storm even ended here for us in the valley. Temperatures were just warm enough on Saturday to start the melting process, even as snow was still coming down. And you can see now we've got green grass again in our view on our Storm Team Skycam network here at the station in South Fargo. And more of us are seeing that grass return and the snow melt away. It'll take longer for those of us up to the north and west where we have the heavier snowfall. And that's where temperatures will be cooler over the coming days until that snowpack goes away. So this morning, we're starting off with chillier temperatures down to the south and west. Likely we've got some clearing going on there, allowing our temperatures to drop a little bit more. We have had some clearing. You can see that full moon in there in Fargo from times even through the cloud cover that we have, and we're looking at 36 degrees. It's 32 in Grand Forks, 34 in Detroit Lakes, and it's 34 in Devil's Lake. So here's a look at your wind speeds. We've got some numbers into the single digits, very light winds. Nice to see this, especially after the wind that came with the snow too, and good visibility as well on this Monday. So starting off the work week on a nice quiet note, with no precipitation really in the valley. Keeping an eye on those showers up to the northeast of Lake of the Woods. Right now it looks like things are pretty quiet for you, but other than that, not only the Red River Valley, but the entire tri-state area is looking pretty quiet at this point in time. So better travel weather here for today, though I'm sure there are still some icy patches on those roads this morning. So here's a look at our hour by hour planner. We've got those clouds hanging around and temperatures that are going to try to work their way up. Yesterday, Fargo got into the low 40s. More of us will see that as we head into the afternoon today. You could see some 40s to the east and to the south. More likely getting stuck in those 30s up in the north and west again because of the snowpack there. So a cooler day for you. And then heading into the evening hours, temperatures sliding back into the 30s for everyone. We do have a system that's going to move through overnight tonight and into early Tuesday. And this one going to bring about a light amount of precipitation. This isn't going to be a heavy rain or snowmaker, but still it's going to be a nuisance for us as we head into tomorrow morning. And we'll start off the day tomorrow with some scattered rain showers, perhaps in some areas where temperatures are cold enough, a snowflake or two, some snow showers happening there. And heading into the later morning, this tries to drop away. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies and the potential for still some lingering sprinkles, especially in our eastern viewing area as we head into the later part of the day tomorrow. So this is 4 o'clock tomorrow. You can see temperatures still in that similar range, some low 40s to the south and to the east. We'll have some stronger winds coming in out of the northwest here for tomorrow as well. And you can see that temperatures still are going to be into the mid 30s into northeastern North Dakota. Still above freezing, which is good. We want to melt away that snow, and we want to do it gradually because we have so much water in the system. We're trying to work it all out very slowly because rivers are still rising. We've got rivers at moderate flood stage in some places, or at least forecast to go there too. So dealing with flooding now, we were before the snow event happened, and this just exacerbates that. So if you have high waters where you are, of course, don't try to attempt to drive through any water on the roadways with this next system that moves through. So here's our photo today. Happy Halloween, Susan questions here. This is in the Langdon area. That's one of those spots that got hit hardest by that heavy snow. And looking at your 7-day planner, you can see that we've got some warming weather ahead this week. The next few days, we'll see chances for rain again tonight and early tomorrow. And then heading into the second half of the week, back into the 50s. That'll be nice. That's for Fargo. Keep in mind, we're still going to be a little cooler in those areas where we're working away at that snow. And several days in a row where we'll be on the dry side. And we need that desperately. So I'm glad to see that showing up in our forecast models and to be able to tell you that.
It was a rough couple of days there.
It sure was.
Thank you, Lisa. Could there be anything better than a hot cup of joe to help you get going on a Monday? Stick around. The next stop in our coffee series is next.